Here's a bit of road trip etiquette. If there are two people or more in the vehicle for an extended road trip, it's good to break up the responsibilities and the duties. Have a little division of labor and expense. So here's a simple way to keep things fair. Every time you stop for gas, if there's two people, one person will pump and pay for the gas. The other person will take the squeegee and clean the windows. And so at the next stop, you switch roles. So however long you're going on a road trip, in theory, each of you should have done no more than one more pump or cleaning of the windows than the other person. It keeps things fair and equitable, and also, you're not doing the same thing all the time. You get to mix it up a little bit. So when you make those stops, you get to stretch your legs and do something a little bit different. But that's a way that you split the costs fairly, and you split the division of labor fairly. Very simple, nice way to keep things civil and friendly on an extended road trip.